Um, so I was going to welcome you. My eyes are shut. Well, it's Friday, and I am so happy. So, oh God, I can't even do anything. This is terrible. I'm so sorry, guys. Well, I was just going to say, it's Friday, so watch this every Friday, and I'll have it so be happy. Thumbs up. My camera's on top. My webcam's on the top, so I don't want to directly at it. So, screen, there, there. And here's the webcam. On the top. Screen, camera, screen, camera, screen, camera. Okay, this is weird. Okay, I want to say happy something. It's Friday. Blah, 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 blah. My friends say I'm wacky, my friends say I'm boring, my friends say I'm lazy. I'm mostly lazy. Toby, you here? No, I guess not here. It's amazing when you can do that. Okay. Look at this. Well, I have to say goodbye. Actually, dislike again. I only got a few times. Actually, my Screencast-O-Matic is not working because my computer just doesn't want it. So I'm accepting with my camera. My computer. So I'm accepting what it wants. Just sad. I want to do more videos for you guys, but eventually, if I do at my friend's house, it's either. I know I got my YouTube channel. FUCKME if I'm doing that. Okay, is this so long for you guys? Is this so long for you guys? Because I am so sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna say one more thing. Okay, a few more things. Happy Friday if it's Friday. And the best thing I'm happy about is because every Friday I get a donut. Every Friday, and a mocha frappe in the morning. Mocha frappe, fuzzy. Okay, a mocha frappe is, I would say, chocolate mixed with coffee, and it's really good. Try it. You guys gotta try it. Okay, and I also want a free costume. If my friends are watching this is one of the things you have to get me. One thing right for my birthday or Christmas, I would very enjoy it. And so I can't make any animations, I can't download anything. Please tell me some animation stuff. I got some super hair. Look at it. Oh, this is strange. It's opposites. It's weird. Okay, my name's Kenny Myers. Also, Toy Myers. Add me on Facebook, okay, guys? I'm stop. I'm a grayish orange. No, not grayish. I'm a yellow cat on Facebook, and my name is Kitty Myers on Facebook. And I lost my other YouTube. It's called Liger Star Antucker. And another one like the WTF, and it was Liger Star Will Kill You. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna put on my dreams and just die right away. I also want to get Minecraft. So, I'm gonna see you guys later. Peace. Let's go to my face. I'm a meme. Yes, I do have Facebook. I watch Captain Sparkles. I think Sir Tap Tap. Well, I gotta go. Bye.